customized handgun. Or they call it engrave handgun. Ito kasi yung engraver show din ito guys. Kasama ito sa antique arms show. Kaya itong mga paninda dito, yung mga table dito is ito, kasama sila sa Engravers Guild of America. Python.
The deep part, you see, down in here, all this deep stuff is done by laser, and all the rest of it's done by hand.
Itong video na to guys is pinagsama ko dito yung samurai, yung mga sword na sinasabi nila. Itong mga old guns, engraved handguns, tapos yung mga gamit nga dito sa mga cowboy nung araw. Ito. This is a custom handgun. Yeah. So you make a custom ring, right?
Yes, he does. He'll do custom rings, custom bracelets. He's done watches.
Okay. And also the lighters. Nice. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. So you do this by your shop, sir?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice.
Thank you.
Timber. Oh. Oh, this is nice design.
I got 2, 3 different other designs in that same style. I do
For this?
2 and a 4.
Oh, yeah.
There's the longer one. How you doing today, sir? I'm great. Well, pick them up, look at them.
So this is 3,200.
Yeah. This one is also, I just lowered the price
Oh.
because I think I was asking too much.
5,250. This is more expensive, but
Yeah.
it's smaller.
This one has a blade.
Oh,
Has a blade and mounts. This was owned by a rock star. No, a drummer in a band.
in Japanese.
Famous band.
No,
No.
it's not. Oh.
Quiet Riot is the
Oh.
name of the band.
So this is the
This is a sword.
yeah. Oh, so nice.
that
Oh,
we shouldn't
you
touch.
can really feel the
It's
sharpness.
very sharp.
Yeah.
And also, it can cause rust. So this blade goes into these mounts.
Oh, okay. So this also have blade here.
This is the blade.
Oh, this is the
This
blade.
is a resting case.
Oh,
And
okay.
this has wood
Okay.
blade instead of this blade.
Okay, yeah. And this is also 350. This is 7,200. And this is
Yeah.
4,250. Oh, this is also
Right.
nice.
That one is gorgeous.
Yeah. And also this big swords here, right? 3,500.
Yeah. There's this one.
And this is 1,100.
That one.
2,750.
This one.
2,600.
Yeah.
And this is 3,800. And then oh, you also have here. Oh, this is also nice. So this also have blade.
These ones all have polished blades.
Oh.
Gorgeous polished blades.
Uh-huh.
Here, I can help you.
Oh, yeah.
That one.
Yeah, yeah.
And this one.
So this is,
That one. And this one.
yes, sir. Oh.
Then there's these.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is 2850. But it's small.
Yeah. It's a tanto.
Tanto?
It's dagger, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, it's nice, sir. Yeah. Ayan guys, ito yung mga presyo ng mga sword nila dito. So this is also antique sword, sir? This, antiques, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's why the prices is also
Of
antique.
course.
Yeah.
These are samurai.
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 Oh, okay. Yeah.
So almost all of them are before 1870.
1870. Oh,
Earlier
it's,
than 1870.
Mhm. And they are still,
This
you know.
one is 700 years old, 600 or 700 years old.
Oh,
Very early.
700 years old.
This is probably the oldest one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
The oldest samurai. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at this. Ito pa yung San Francisco, December 7. 1941. Oh, this is the newspaper during World War II. 1941.
1941.
Yeah, yeah, it's here. They still have this, this newspaper. You know?
Yeah.
Amazing. So what do you call this gun, bro?
I'm sorry?
What do you call this gun?
The tank Gewehr.
What?
Tank Gewehr.
Oh,
The
okay.
T Gewehr.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, T. What's the caliber? 13 millimeters.
13 millimeter.
The T Gewehr means German. T. They just added it to call it the tank rifle. It's meant for the tanks that were coming out.
Oh,
So
okay.
England had the tanks. They
Yeah.
had the Mark 1 through 5 tanks,
Mhm.
and Germany only had artillery at the time to be able to take those out.
Yeah.
And artillery isn't easy to shoot quickly.
Yeah.
So they started making these.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa pagsama sa aking video. Sana wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell.